Hi guys, so today we are going to do a continent match. I sent it in the original email as an attachment. I believe I also posted it on Facebook. If I did not, please let me know in the comments in the video and I will post it again. But here's what it looks like. The 2 pages. So you guys can cut them out at home and play whenever you want. I thought we could play a quick round today. So you have your continent cards with the name and a small image. And then you have your continents with the big image. But I want to go over something really quick before we start. So, when we look at Antarctica on a flat map, it's going to look a lot different than what it looks like on a globe and in our picture. So when we look at Antarctica, here's Antarctica, right? Way down at the bottom. And it kind of looks like this long, flat piece of land like this. Okay? But if we look at it from a different view, imagine that we were a giant in the universe and we can hold the earth in our hands, kind of like what I'm going to do with the globe. We're going to look at Antarctica. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but here's Antarctica. It's actually almost in the shape of a circle. Let's think of it like a circle. So it's not flat and long. It's actually a pretty fat piece of land. Okay? So when you go to do the continent match, Antarctica is going to look like it looks on a globe, not on the flat map. So let's see. We have Europe. Europe is up first. So I'll leave this up so you guys can see it. So there's Europe. Do we think that this one is Europe? No, I don't think it is. What about that one? Do you think that one is Europe? Do you know what continent this is? If you said South America, you're right. What about this one? I'll give you a hint. Bless you. This is where we live. So do you know what continent that is? That's North America. What about this one? Let's see. That looks like it could be. Do you see Italy? Do you see the boot? There's the boot right there. So this is Europe. So this would be a match. So we'll put that one aside because we matched that one. All right, let's see. Next we have Australia. The land down under. Let's see. Does that look like Australia? Do you know what continent this one is? If you said Asia, you are right. It is Asia, the continent of Asia. Let's see. What about this guy? Is that Australia? Does anybody remember what continent this is? It looks like the number 7. If you said Africa, you're right. Good job. All right, let's see. What about this one? Is that one Australia? I think it is. There's Australia. Good job, guys. Let's look at our next one. Here's the tough one. There's Antarctica. So let's see if we can find it. Is this one Antarctica? Do you know what continent that is? If you said that is the continent of North America, You are wrong. It's not North America. It's South America. I bet I didn't trick you guys on that one, though. Let's see. What about this one? Is that Antarctica? No. What continent is that? Do you know? That's Asia. Let's see. What about this one? Is that Antarctica? We found Antarctica. There's a match. Let's see the next one. We have South America. I got it. This one's South America. No? What continent is this? Oh, you're right. It's Africa. I can't trick you guys. What about this one? No, this is where we live. This is the continent of North America. What about this one? Is that South America? There's South America. This is where Fernanda is from. Fernanda is from Argentina. That's in South America. So there's a match. All right, let's see. What about this one? North America. Is that North America? You're right. That's where we live. So North America is made up of the United States of America, where we live. Okay. And we travel through Canada, which is all of this up here. And there's the state of Alaska. The state of Alaska is actually a part of the United States. So we have the United States where we live. We have Alaska, which is a part of the United States. We have Canada. And then we have Mexico. That's all a part of North America. All right, 2 left, my friends. We have the continent of Africa. Is this Africa? No, they don't even look alike, do they? Is this one Africa? That is Africa. Good job. So then the last one is Asia. And here is the continent of Asia. So you guys can play this whenever you want. Maybe test your parents and see if your parents can figure out which one it is. If you want to make this a little harder for yourself, if this was too easy, one suggestion I have is on the name card, you can cut the little image off and just have the name of the continent and try the matching that way. All right, friends, I hope you have fun with the matching activity.